You know, it's been up for a few days. Now I gotta take it down now. I must say with this style, my trouble spots as far as tenderness was right up in here. Up in here. I found myself with my pick comb often. Hitting it with this, hitting it like that. Getting up in that middle part. It's got to come down. So, you seen how the back was? It's like a twist. Comes up into this bun. And I'm about to take it down, finally. Thank God. I hope I'm in view. Yep. So that's one bow. Two bows. All right. So here's a piece that came wrapped around the actual ponytail. So this is a top ponytail, and I had some loose hair here, and took that and wrapped it around. So this loose hair here, I gave it like a twisted motion. Bam, and wrapped it around. And then secured it with those two bows. I'm gonna take this down though, because when I tell you, I think I might even have like a little scab up in that middle part from where I was poking, because it was itching so bad. I think just from pulling. So whole style, three stretchies, 3 scrunchies. And this is my length without any crinkle to it. Oh, that girl thick. That girl cat thick. Come on, Mama Rox. Alrighty. And so, like, what I be doing, like I said, it gets fuzzy right up in this front part. I just take all the front locks. And sometimes these ones right here too, because they're considered like the front, I guess. Everything else isn't that important. It's still pretty fresh. It'll just be that front line from me sleeping. And then I would just grab all that loose hair. And that's how I clean up my edges real quick. Sometimes I add water and oil to it, which I should have did, but I know I'm about to go to sleep. I am going to add a little bit of coconut oil because it is pretty dry. It's just the winter cold months. So I get the excess off my hands like this. And this is how I'm going to go to sleep. And that is it. Good night. And be blessed.